Today I will be using the Epson Workforce 7710. So here is the image that I'm going to be printing off. I'm going to be pressing this image onto a regular t-shirt. I'm just pretty much trying out the printer. I want to see how the ink and everything holds up to the 3G jet opaque heat transfer paper. So here's the printer. I just got this printer and I love it so much. And I wanted to, I guess, convert it to sublimation, but I wanted to see how it works on just regular heat transfer paper to begin with. So this is probably about $189 from Amazon is where I got it from. It's touchscreen. It holds up to 13 by 19 inches, which is good. Love that. And the paper that I am using today is the Jet Opaque 2 brand paper. Is what I'm going to be putting the image on. I got that from Amazon as well. I got 10 sheets for $12. And this is just the instructions on how to press the paper onto garments. And the paper is for dark transfers. I also have the Jet Pro Soft Stretch, and I'll be trying that as well. And this is my power press. I purchased this from Amazon as well. I already have my t-shirt on it. It's a clamshell. I have my temperature set to 350 per the instructions of the heat transfer paper. And I had to replace my old heat press that you guys seen in previous videos due to, I guess, blowing a fuse pretty much. But this was very inexpensive. I want to say it was $179 from Amazon as well. And they sent me little Teflon sheet with it. So you can see it. There's my little screen. She is so cute. Touch screen. It's so many different settings. I have my internet, Wi-Fi, I guess it is, connected to the printer. You can fax, you can scan. So many different options on this printer, guys. And here is the paper like drawer. This is where I have my 8.5 by 11 sheets of paper stored right now. That's just a little protector cover. So I have my paper inserted in there. I'm just going to put that back on and press the drawer, push it back in so we can get this image printed out. Stay tuned, guys. I'm super excited about this. Again, this is the Epson wide format printer. The 7710. Unless you put the options of the paper in there. Alright, guys, so I got my image all printed out. I went ahead and trimmed the edges of it to get the extra white backing off of it. So what I'm doing is just making a little slit so that I can pull the image off of the backing, which is very simple. There you see, I'm just pulling it off. Very easy, very simple, quick. No mess, no ripping. So I like the paper so far. So I'm just centering my image onto my t-shirt. It's like a dark gray t-shirt. Again, my heat press is set for 350. I'm going to use the protective sheet that they sent with the paper to cover the image, as well as put my Teflon sheet over it for extra protection, and press it for 30 seconds. Alright, guys, so I got her put onto my shirt, and right now I'm just covering the image up with my Teflon sheet. I've already have the little protective sheet that it came with. There's a little thank you card that came with the heat press. So I got the Teflon sheet on my image. Right here, I'm just kind of checking the pressure. I wanted it on medium because I have my heat press set to 350. I don't think a firm or heavy pressure is necessary for this shirt. But I have it 30-second press. And this is what it looked like when I was finished pressing for 30 seconds. I took off the protective sheet and my Teflon sheet. I think she came out very great. Don't mind the hand puppets in the background. I talk with my hands a lot. But this is the final product. This is what it looks like using the Epson wide format 7710 printer, as well as the 3G Jet Opaque 2 paper. And just pressed it on a regular Gildan shirt.